Hi, welcome to our channel, dear viewers. In this video I'm gonna show you how to set up and how to install Family Link on your MOTOROLA Defy, on your child's MOTOROLA Defy. If you want to supervise child's device using your device, you need to install Family Link on your child's device. So, firstly, open settings on the child's phone, then scroll down and click add accounts and add account. You need to add child's Google account with the password that only you will know, because if the child knows the password from his own account, he will be able to bypass the blocking of Google Family Link. So click add Google, enter Google email, click next, the child's password, click next, I agree, accept. Cool. Now go back to the settings menu, scroll down, click Google, scroll down again, click parental controls, get started, child or teen, next, then cool. Now choose child's account here, and here you need to link child's Google account to your parent's Google account. So here you need to enter into your Google account. So enter email, enter password, click next, scroll down and confirm child's Google account. Click agree, allow, click next, scroll down, next, scroll down, click next, skip, and go back to the home screen. Cool. Now just install a Google Family Link application on your device. It can be Apple device or Android device. So install Family Link on your device, open it, and here you will see all linked accounts, all linked child's accounts to your Google account. So in my case, I will use these accounts, account HDDB. So cool, as you can see, we have a full control of the child's phone. We can lock his device, we can schedule his device schedule, and we can block separate applications. For example, I want to block, I don't know, for example, I want to block Google Drive on child's device. As you can see, I have Google Drive here, but by clicking on the sandwich on my device and by clicking on block application, wait a while, and okay, as you can see, Google Drive was successfully blocked on the child's phone. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.